Most people use ChatGPT the same way they use a microwave. Press a few buttons and hope for magic. But if you learn to guide it like a research assistant, not a fortune teller, ChatGPT can save you hours of real work. Here's how to turn it into your personal research engine. Number 1, build your research persona. Start every chat with a personality setup. Say, you are a senior research analyst specializing in data-backed insights. This gives ChatGPT an identity, and suddenly, the tone, accuracy, and depth all change. Number 2, structure. Every question, instead of dumping a vague prompt like, tell me about climate change, break it into tasks. Try. List top 5 peer-reviewed findings from the last 5 years, summarize them in 2 lines each, and provide journal names. You'll get focused, citable results instead of Wikipedia fluff. Number 3, use the zoom method. ChatGPT is great at layering detail. First, ask a broad question, then zoom in. Now explain the methodology. Now critique the sample size. Now show me counterarguments. You'll end up with a full 360-degree understanding of any topic. Number 4, combine human sources plus ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to summarize, not replace your sources. Feed it quotes, PDFs, or your own notes, then say, summarize and connect these ideas in a coherent argument. It's like hiring a digital assistant to organize your thoughts. Number 5, ask it to teach you. When you're stuck on a complex idea, don't Google, tutor, type. Explain this concept using analogies and diagrams. Learning becomes faster because ChatGPT adapts to your level instantly. Number 6, use it to build research frameworks. Need to structure a report or paper? Say, draft a research outline with key sections and 2 to 3 supporting studies per section. You'll get a blueprint you can fill with your own work. Number 7, cross-examine the AI. Treat ChatGPT like a bright intern, not an oracle. Ask, what might you be wrong about? Or, list possible counter-evidence. This filters bias and keeps your research balanced. Number 8, create citation templates. Ask it to format sources automatically. Convert these into APA or MLA citations. It won't find secret journals, but it will save you hours of formatting misery. Last and the most important one, turn research into output. Once you've gathered insights, use ChatGPT for final polish. Say, turn this outline into a concise 1-page brief, or convert this paper into a LinkedIn summary. That's how you repurpose research like a pro. ChatGPT isn't replacing researchers, it's replacing lazy ones. Treat it like a thinking partner and you'll produce more insight faster with zero burnout. Now go make your next big idea happen, one smart prompt at a time. For not missing out on AI tools, like and save this video and subscribe to AI Powerhouse now.